Hello, welcome to my home. My name is Najib. I am 9 years old and this is my lovely family. There are 6 members in my family. My dad Ahmed, my mom Khadija, my 2 sisters Fatima and Maryam, my little brother Muhammad and me. Hi, this is my uncle, my mom's brother. His name is Abdullah and this is his wife Lamia. His son Amin is 14 and his daughter Yasmin is 11. They are my cousins. This is my aunt Afaf, my mom's sister. She is 30. Abdurrahman is my uncle. He is my father's brother. My cousin Rafiq is his son. He is 17 and Siham is his